is a property that we bought for 350,000 rand, fixed it up, and now we've gotten a nice profit of 470,000 rand. We said that we're going to do this with a budget of 20,000 rand, and we're going to do it in 2 weeks. The good news is that we're able to do this with under budget, and we also spent a week to do it.
Stay tuned to find out how we did it.
Be a legacy builder.
The nice thing, guys, is that we've used the bank's money and we've made an absolute 118% on the money without using any of our money. In the previous video, we spoke about how to increase the value of your property before selling it. As you can see, we've painted the lounge, we've changed the color, we brought in, a natural color that's light. The ceiling have been converted, we've kept it standard, whereby it's just white and the light grey color. Let's come to the kitchen. Previously, the kitchen was really bad, brown colors all over. We kept it standard. We still have kept our extractor, we still have kept the stove. So if you come into this room, you can see the doors were wobbling. We fixed it up nicely. It's the same, so we haven't really spent much, but we cleaned it up, we made it decent. Inside looks good. The handles are done, the hinges are working, the door handles are working. My favorite room is souped up, it's cleaned up, it looks amazing. You still have the beautiful view in this neighborhood. Everything looks nice. And basically, we've been able to do this under budget, and now we've gotten a nice profit of 470,000 rand. That's the gross profit. Of course, if we deduct the renovations and we deduct, some of the expenses, the levies and the rest that we've paid, then you get to a nice profit of 412,000 rand. The nice thing is that the buyer also wants to continue with what we're doing, investing. So he wants to buy and rent it out and basically get the similar profit that you were making, in the few years to come. This property, we've held this property for 10 years and we've made good money on this property. I'm going to make a call to the tenant to tell the tenant that, the place is ready. Hi, Mr. Lemu, how are you? Yeah, it's Echo here. Yes, just wanted to tell you that things are going according to plan, so we can meet tomorrow for the keys. We're ready to hand over everything tomorrow. Okay, thank you very much.
Be a legacy builder, and don't forget to subscribe.
Cheers.